So right now we are going to be attaching the handle to the bag. So to do that, you're going to take 4 ropes. I have 2 from one side and 2 from the other side. So I'm going to take this one, put it here and bring it out. Then I'll do the same thing I did in here and bring it out. Yeah, so and then I'll move to the second one on this side, bring it out, and you go in and out again. Now move to the other side, take the first one in, and do it again. Out. And the last one in, out, like that. So then I'll make a square knot below just to hold it in place. Alright, so we are done with attaching the handle to the bag, front and at the back.